Hello and welcome to All Taste German. One classic German pastry that you will find on all German coffee tables are Windbeutel, or cream puffs called in English. Perhaps you already know these fluffy pastry filled with cream. But in this recipe I will show you the XXL version with an additional delicious fruit layer, which makes this pastry even more indulging. First, you need to add water, salt and butter to a large pot and bring to a boil. Then sift the flour on top and stir with a wooden spoon on low heat until the dough forms a clump. It is normal and desired that the bottom of the pot shows a light cover with slightly browned dough, but be aware of burning. Then remove the dough from the pot and add it to a stand mixer bowl. Allow to cool for a few minutes and then gradually add 1 egg at a time while beating. Beat well until the dough is smooth and shiny. Add the batter to a piping bag with a large star tip. A little trick is to push the dough with a bowl scraper down. This makes piping way easier. Pipe swirls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I added a little butter to stick the parchment paper so it does not slide around while piping. Leave about 2 inches between them as they will rise quite a lot. Bake for about 25 minutes. Don't open the oven door while baking as the pastry will collapse. Let the pastry cool slightly, then cut off 1/3 of the top and let them cool completely. In the meantime, beat the heavy whipping cream with powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. Add a layer of fruit to the bottom. You can use all kinds of fresh or canned fruit of your liking. Dust the Windbeutel with powdered sugar and enjoy immediately. Guten Appetit!